How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed clean California car. Retains original body panels and floors. It's done in a gorgeous torch red, black interior. You see the bumpers have all been re-chromed. The grille looks real good. I really like the scoops and the hoods on the 66s, just real tough looking. Super straight down the sides, real slick paint on the car. It's got show quality paint. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun kind of keeps coming and going on us today. See all the taillight bezels and the moldings, rear bumpers, all been redone. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. This is a true 138 Super Sport. Got a set of 1820 American Racing is on it, all new. Now the original 396 is long gone. They replaced it. They put a nice built 427 in it. See the way they finished off the firewall and everything? It's got your power disc brakes. It's got M21 Muncie 4-speed in it. Just a super solid car, guys. So all the jams are real nice and clean. It's got the correct wood wheel. Headliner all looks real tight and nice. Seats have all been reupholstered. It's got your front and rear seat belts. It's got the factory type shifter in it. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, super clean car. When they restored the car, they did put new wiring harnesses throughout the whole car. You see how nice and clean the trunk floor was? Tell you, it's just a super nice car. It's hard to find true 138 cars that are this nice. This car was built in California. Spent most of its life out there. See, it's got the knee knocker tach. Nice trio gauges. They did do a radio delete panel. Dash looks real nice. It's original dash. Seats all look real good in the car. All the carpet's nice. Paintwork on this car is just gorgeous. Again, this is a 427. Nice aluminum intake and Holly. Tell you, it sounds really good off the back. Got 12-bolt posi with a 342 gear. kind of bear with us. It's a little chilly out today. It's only about 38 degrees right now. Again, you can check out our complete inventory, rosscustommi.com. Have a great day, folks.